in the following counties. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ferry County in northeastern Washington until 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 22 miles south of Sherman Pass, or 50 miles east of Olmec, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Twin Lakes and Inchilim. Weather radio station West XL 86 in Spokane. A flood watch means there is Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Ferry County in northeastern Washington until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles south of Sherman Pass, or 42 miles east of Olmec, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of West Central Ferry County. .48 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Following counties in Washington. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stevens County in northeastern Washington, northern Oreille County in northeastern Washington, until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 30 miles northeast of Colville, Oregon, 56 miles west of Bonners Ferry, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Ione, Madeline Falls, Madeline, Sullivan Lake Campground and Noisy Creek Campground. This is the NWR weather radio station West XL 86 in Spokane.